How to fix mobile data is not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and you will see turn on airplane mode and turn off. After turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly. After check internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset network setting. After click on reset network settings, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option and factory reset. After click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.